So let's meet our group members.
Hamdi is the owner of Daddy's Event Enterprise, which offers top-tier event management services. The following information pertains to the MTD for the 2 employees of Daddy's Event Enterprise for year assessment, 2022. Zahidi is one of Daddy's Event Enterprise worker. His commencement of employment was on 1 February 2022, and his marital status was single. His monthly gross salary is Rm 4,000. 100 with deduction as per table of MTD is Rm 84.85 per month. Next, Azri is also one of Hamdi's workers. His commencement of employment was on 1 April 2023. His marital status is single. His gross salary was Rm 5.50 per month, with deduction as per table of MTD is Rm 168.65 per month. Hamdi submitted Form B for YA 2023 on 12 June 2024. But during a desk audit, IRB issued Form JA on 31 August 2024 after discovering he failed to declare RM24, zero rental income, resulting in an additional assessment. He plans to file an appeal, Form Q, within 30 days. Despite the outstanding tax, Hamdi intends to travel abroad. Under Section 104, IDA 1967, IRB may issue a travel restriction to prevent him from leaving Malaysia until the tax is settled or secured. He has committed 2 offenses related to MTD, monthly tax deduction. He do not follow responsibility of employer under Section 83(6), stated that employer should deduct the MTD and be remitted to IRBM on or before 15th day if the following month Hamdi failed to pay monthly tax deduction from employee's remuneration to IRB before 15th of the following month, which is on 20th that laid under Rule 10, PU 507, 1,994, amended by PU 362, 2014. Hamdi failed to comply with monthly tax deduction scheme under Rule 10, 1, 13, PUA 507, 1,994. He deducted the wrong amount, which the exact amount for Zahidi is Rm 1,018.2 and for Azri is Rm 2,023.8 of MTD. But instead, he paid for Rm 1,000 and Rm 2,000. But in the question, it is not mentioned that Hamdi have intention to deceive or manipulate the amount of MTD to the Inland Revenue Board, IRB. If Hamdi has an intention to deceive or manipulate the amount of the MTD, it will falls under Section 114, which is willful evasion. This section explains how Hamdi can file an appeal for undeclared rental income for YA 2023. How can Hamdi make an appeal for undeclared rental income for YA 2023? Under Section 99(7), Income Tax Act 1967 stated that when taxpayer dissatisfied with the deemed notice of assessment or additional assessment, he may write to the tax authorities to make an appeal. Appeal has to be done via submission of 4 copies of Form Q stating detailed ground, so appeal, issues to be trial, date and amount of tax payable as stated in Form JA, relevant documentation of evidence related to issues to be trial signed by directors of company or taxpayer, possible implications of Hamdi's plan to travel abroad before settling his additional tax. The implications, under Section 104 Income Tax Act 1967, the IRB may prevent Hamdi from leaving Malaysia if he has unpaid taxes or debts in term of tax recovery. With the cooperation of the Commissioner of Police or Director or Immigration, they can seize to payer's identity, passport, exit permit, or travel document unless all debts is settled. What will happen to Hamdi? Thus, Hamdi risks being stopped at the border as he tries to travel before paying the additional tax. Section 115, mentioned about offenses leaving Malaysia without payment of tax, is divided into 2, which included, with prosecution, fine between Rm 200 to Rm 20, 0, 6 months imprisonment, or both. That's all from us. Thank you.